Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to open Westpac Bank Online account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for our Westpac Bank, then click on the first link that pops up. So as you can see, this is their official website. So nextly we're going to click on bank accounts. Then we're going to click on savings account. Then again we're going to click for a savings account with saving goals, which is the first option. Then now you're going to click on open now, but you can see the interest rates and some information about the account we're opening. So once you see that, you can click on open now. So this is the summary. So this is what you need. So this is a quick recap of what they offer. So they'll ask you what type of account you need. If you're a Westpac customer, click on no if not. So what you have to have in handy is your mobile phone, your passport, your Australian driver license, your birth certificate, as well as your tax details. So once you have this on your hand, you guys can click on yes, continue to proceed with your application. Then here, this is some personal information, your first name, your last name, your email address, as well as your phone number. So once you verify with your phone number, they'll send you a code. So once you're done, you'll insert some personal details. Then you could open the account. This is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.